back to my channel. It's your girl Helen of Troy, and if you guys been keeping up, you know I dyed my hair. So today we're going to, as you can tell by the title, be cutting my hair. So filming a reel as well. I'm trying to do 2 for 1 event. At one point I'm gonna be having to not film twice and use the same content for, like, you know, Instagram and shorts or whatever, but I'm gonna be going with the Sabrina Carpenter cut, and I'm going to be taking a picture of my hair, how it looks for the last time. And yeah, guys, hopefully this doesn't take longer than expected. I do have to touch up the color. I was gonna do it today, but like right here is a little bit, you can see, more brown. So I'm gonna take a picture of my hair because I didn't do before and after before I dyed my hair. And it's not all the way fully straight, and I went outside today. I went to church, so I just kind of straightened it so I could cut it. Yeah, guys, wow. Like, this is how my hair looks. And we're gonna do long layers, so we're gonna keep the length. Cause you know, it's like so flat and it's not giving like cute, and I want to have, like, you know, like layers and be cute or whatever. I guess that's what he said, to like trim the hair, but like I kind of have layers already, but it's still kind of not even everywhere because I kind of have some, you know, a little bit of definition, but they grew out, so I was kind of scared to cut it. Now let me just roll with it. I don't know if I want to use this side since it's kind of poking out already. I'm holding the rest of it. Okay, this looks longer than the other piece. So now what he does is he goes like this. And you're gonna cut kind of like where this hair in the back reaches. So make sure this. Just make sure this hair is all even up here. Like the ponytail was just too tight, so that's why I just gotta fix it. Hard to do it on yourself, I'm not gonna lie. Woo. You see the arms, they're getting a workout. Oh my gosh. Let's try this again. I don't know if I should bring this hair up first because it needs to be like nice and tight. We're gonna figure this out. Okay. This is where we're gonna cut. And I kind of want to use this hand, and I have something to catch the hair, so ooh, I'm loving it already. Ah! Except, you know, that little piece is a little right. So number 2, I did my skincare already, but yeah, this is what it's looking like. No, it doesn't look like a big difference, but we're gonna bring the hair forward, kind of like the unicorn tutorial. Okay, so instead of like in the middle of the eyebrows, we're gonna put it like up here. Tight because I don't need the hair moving. It's gonna be easier, I think, to do this one since the hair's already up in the front. Ready? It's gonna be the same thing. Ooh, I ain't cutting off that much, honey boo. A lot. So it seems that's how much I'm supposed to cut, and I'm a little bit scared, I'm not gonna lie. lie, because even he was like, oh, that seems like a lot. Like, yeah, it seems, not that it seems, it is a lot of hair. I might just cut an inch shorter than that. So like, if it's like right here, boom, I'm gonna go a little bit, but I'm gonna measure it again, just because I feel like my hands is not straight. Ooh. Ooh, the grand result before we do the bangs. Let's do the middle part. I feel like you probably could have cut a little bit more because it's not that dramatic, but it is. We have some layers. Does it look about the same? I think. Should we cut some more? And like the haircut, you're not really gonna see like the layers unless my hair is like kind of curly, especially when it's like curly, and then when it's like curled. So as you can see, we have some layers. Now it's time for the bangs. The best part, this right here. So we're gonna put this back, and this part we're gonna do. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might. There's layers being layered already. If there's one thing, the hair definitely feels lighter, so I ain't mad at it. I feel like this is good enough for bangs. I'm gonna watch the video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice it right here. I haven't had bangs, guys, since like, oof, I don't even know. I was probably in maybe middle school or high school. So for this part, we're gonna bring the hair. I'm gonna cut it like, kind of want to mark where your lips. I'm gonna touch the water on my chin, so I know I'm cutting. Y'all see this? Ooh. And yes, it's gonna look choppy, but once we curl it, ooh baby, which I might just curl the bangs just so y'all can see. Makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm just over and over. It's crazy, I know. Hopefully I didn't ruin my hair. I did. But how it's like kind of like it's gonna flow like this. But since it's like straight, it doesn't look like it. Maybe I can like trim a little bit more here. Done some of these layers a little bit. I'm gonna get the blow dryer and I'll be right back so I can see what this hair is giving, especially these bangs. Oh my gosh. This is the hair, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks like a lot. So let's do the big review. Imagine I cut my hair like this. What would you guys think? So we're gonna take these pin curls out. And I didn't use any spray or anything. I just kind of like blow dried it and let it sit. I'm gonna do the bottom ones first on both sides. For my birthday, I want like really voluminous curls, so I'm gonna have to get some hairspray that's not got to be. I mean, got to be should work, but you know, some good stuff. Oh boy. Okay, let's just wrap this one. I don't think it's even in the middle, but ooh, this is exactly what I wanted, but this one just a little too high for me. I'm gonna put some who is she? Yeah, because I think some of this is supposed to go on that side. Let's just part this a little bit more. When I was blow drying it, felt like one side had more than the other. See, I got the picture. I can see the. I just wish it was a little more curly so you guys can see. But I feel like now my hair just looks so much cuter. I just had to brush this one a little bit more, but I think if I go like this, just let it fall. Your girl definitely got bangs now, for sure. Putting my hair, y'all gonna see the full like vision when I get ready for my birthday, cause it's late and I don't want to have too much heat on my hair since I'm gonna be going to the gym all week and sweating it out and stuff. But I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna be doing with these bangs. It's been a while since I had to deal with having curtain bangs in my face. Like, oh my gosh, like I actually cut bangs. Like, that's gonna be the thumbnail. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.